Go. I need to go take a piss.
No, you have to try the video. You have to hold the
No,
wall.
wait. I need to take a piss first. Okay. So, the reason why the wool light up and cause the spark to burn the hole in the paper is because when you touch a thin wire across a 9-volt battery, charges inside the wire flow fast. The flow charges heat the wire because of a type of electrical friction. It gets hot and catch on fire. Therefore, it light up the paper and made a hole. Here now is the long explanation for the experiment. First of all, the first cause of the spark is liquid electricity.
All metals are made of atoms, and atoms are made of positive particles, which are protons, surrounded with negative particles, which are electrons. The negative particles of the atoms in metals do not stick to single atoms. Instead, they can wander around inside the metal. All the metal's electrons together are like a liquid. This liquid is visible. It makes metal opaque, and it gives them their silvery color. This silvery electric liquid could move if we could push it along, but we certainly can't make it move with our fingers. If the wire's electric liquid moves, we call the motion an electric current. Imagine that you have a wire. Suppose that there was a way to push the electron liquid along. You could push a little part of the liquid along, and this would make all the liquid move inside the wire like a moving rim of a wheel. A circle of wire is like a tube which contains a movable belt. This word for this is electric current.
There's a way to push the electric liquid along. A battery acts as an electron pump. If you connect a thin wire across the terminal of a 9-volt battery, then you have created a middle circle. The inside of the battery acts like a part of a circle. The battery sucks the electron from one end of the wire and spit them out into the other end. Charges get pushed through the inside of the battery. It causes the electric fluid to flow along.
Okay, if you rub your hands together very hard, they will grow very, very hot. This happens with electric fluid and wires too. The battery pushes hard on the electron liquid in order to force it to move ahead through a thin wire. The electron liquid rubs on the metal as it flows. The metal gets hot. This is how all electric heaters work and all incandescent light bulbs work. Electric current inside wires always make the wire warm. If the electric current is fast enough, the wire will get so hot it glows red or even white. Now we're going to demonstrate how a fuel will catch on fire with a 9-volt battery.
We're going to show you many examples so you can observe it.
This is just a plain 9-volt battery by Duracell. And steel wool, like ordinary steel wool you use to clean pots and pans.
And once you heat up stripes of steel wool, it will get sparks and it will burn a hole through paper, and you can see the result.
When the steel wool touches the 9-volt battery's terminal, the battery forcefully pumps the electron liquid within the steel. There is an electric flow inside the thin wires, and they heat up. They grow white hot and catch fire, and the steel wool burns. This is an excellent way to start a campfire if you have no matches. But remember, it drains energy from your 9-volt battery, and it can only start a few fires before the battery stops working. Better learn fire starting with a friction bow or a fire drill.
Oh, did you wash your hands?
I did.
No, you didn't.
It's wet.
I did not hear the water call.
No, I did.
The soap?
No. Wash your hands.
No. Oh, go back and wash it with soap.
No, I did.
No. Wash it with soap.
Why do I need to wash it with soap?
Because it's dirty. With
It's
soap?
dirty?
Yeah.
It's not dirty.
Ew, touch your fingers.
I keep myself clean. Okay. Why do I with soap?
Oh, that's dirty.
At school, I don't even want to.